2010 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, bucket seats, MP3 player, power windows, power door locks, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.